Hey everybody, Roy here from Yago Yoga. So day 4 of the 30-day breath awareness challenge. And how did you get on yesterday? Just a quick recap with recognizing the start, the middle and the end of your breath. Was it easy for you? Did you let yourself go into the flow of it? Did you find yourself stopping at times? And that's part of the dance that we were talking about between, the breath leading you and you leading the breath. So that's absolutely fine. That's just part of it. How did you recognize the middle? Did you get a sense of the middle the more you observed it? And that over time through your day, did you notice that the more you did it, is you could get a greater sense of the depth of your breath. Sometimes they're deep and sometimes they're mid-range and sometimes they're shallow. But then you also got a good sense of, well, there's the start, there's the middle and there's the end. And you're able to play with the range of your breath, recognizing those 3 points. Okay, so well done. Any questions, pop them in the comments and we'll tease it out. So today's challenge is I'm going to get you to focus on the start and the end of each breath. And what I want you to do is start off slow. I know we're talking about slowing your breath down, but this time is focus on the quality of how you begin. Start the breath slow. So you're mindfully starting the breath slow, just a nice steady breath. And then as you go all the way through, as you come to the end of your breath, I want you to finish softly. So on each inhale and exhale, you start off slow and you're finishing softly. And then just get a sense of what that feels like. And again, that will also even your breath out again. You'll feel your breath become a lot more fluid and steady in that. But it's that awareness of bringing yourself to recognizing the start of your breath and then just coming into easing yourself into it nice and slowly. And then there's a nice steady breath, and as you begin to recognize the end of your breath, is you're beginning to ease yourself, coming softly to the end of your breath. And again, some breaths will be shallow, some will be deep, and everything in between. And that you're just refining the quality of how you begin and end each breath. So that's your challenge for today. Again, in one way it's simple, in another way it takes focus, and there's a subtlety to it. So again, if you have any questions, pop them in the comments down below. Please subscribe, recommend it to your friends. The more people we have on board, the better. We want to build a big community. And then click notification, click the bell icon for notification to keep up to date with everything we're doing. And outside of that is, again, if you do the 30 days, is drop me in an email and we'll do a one-to-one session and we'll talk to it all. So this offer of the one-to-one session, it'll be, I'll put a date. I'm not sure of the date yet. I think from the start of the first day, I'll offer it for 3 months. So, and I'll have that in the description on all the videos. So that if you do your 30 days within the 3 months at the beginning of the 30 days, is we can do one-to-one together. But for now, have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.